Weighing just 296 grams, the MC2200 and 2700 weigh up to 20% lighter than many competitive models. The rechargeable battery is fully removable, supporting power precision and warm swap. A 3500 mAh battery comes as standard, providing 17 hours of runtime, and you have the option to upgrade to a 4900 mAh battery, which increases the runtime to a full 24 hours. Additionally, the device has an optional 13 megapixel color camera with flash if you need to take photos of inventory, proof of condition, or delivery. The keypad is designed for ease of use in any condition. All the keys are comfortably reached by the thumb during single-handed use, and the scan key is centrally located. The 34-key keyboard provides the perfect balance of touchscreen and keyboard interaction, making it easy for users to migrate to Android. The MC2200 and 2700 has an attachable trigger handle, which quickly converts your device into gun-style form factor for data capture-intensive applications. The handle easily snaps onto the device with no tools needed, and does not impede any other features such as NFC or the rear-facing camera. The dual trigger distributes pressure across 2 fingers, making the device suitable for higher workloads. The desktop Cradle has an integrated USB-C connector that allows the easy docking of the MC2200 or 2700, even with the attachable trigger handle installed. A desktop USB Cradle and device can be purchased together as a part of a kit.